Hey guys and girls, welcome back to Poor Man's Bushcraft. I was recently tagged by Really Big Monkey One, and the assignment for this tag was to talk about or show your 3 favorite bushcraft knives. I really only have about 3 or 4. I don't collect knives. I'm not a big knife person, but I know what I need out in the field, whether it be hunting or camping, bushcrafting, mock survival situations. And I'm going to start with my top one, which is going to be the Mora. Being this poor man's bushcraft, I really did want a Mora a while back ago, and I found this style here. It actually comes with a red handle. I don't know if you can see that red in there or not. Little spray paint just to hide the handle. But $9, $10 Mora, high carbon steel blade, has patina on it. Still very sharp. I've only sharpened it a few times, but this is my go-to for any wood crafting stuff, as far as tent stakes, skewers, or anything like that. So yeah, the bushcraft would be my number one, or excuse me, for bushcraft, my number one is the Mora. Staying in small knives and inexpensive knives, I recently picked this one up. This is the Elk Ridge. I have no idea what model. There are so many of these Elk Ridges out there. Leather sheath, brass snaps. This one I picked up for skinning purposes. I'm not going to use this one on wood. I don't know if I can get a shot of that Elk Ridge symbol there or not, but I'll try without trying to go some macro or anything like that. As you can see, this is full tang all the way through. Wooden handles, both the black and the red are wood with the brass insert in there. I haven't got to use this one yet, but I am looking forward to it, and it's very similar to a Skinner I had many years ago, so this is going to be my next bushcraft knife. And then third, and at least not the least, my everyday carry. I use this thing for everything. If you guys have seen this one in the past, it is attached to my pack, so it's not my first go-to knife. This one will be in my pack, so that's going to be even a little bit harder to get to, but every day right on my side is the SOG or SOG, depending on where you're from is how you call it. This was given to me for Christmas last year by a buddy of mine, and I've made it my everyday carry. It's got little crud on the blade, but like I said, it's my everyday carry slash, use it for everything. Not sure the model, belt clip, all that stuff. Kind of got that digital camouflage thing going, but this is my everyday, and I treat it like a bushcraft knife. I cut everything with it that I can get my hands on. Now, as far as bushcrafting goes, those are going to be my 3 top favorite knives. But I will not forget or leave out, as bonus material, one, my folding saw. Like I said, this is poor man's bushcraft, and I don't know what those high-end folding saws go for. This is just something I picked up at a yard sale, and it cuts better than anything I own now as far as saws. So this one has been the upgrade to my pack, and I've taken out something else. It's okay, this one I believe is a China. Yeah, probably just an old cheapy China. Who knows what store it comes from? Harbor Freight, Walmart, couldn't tell you, but it does cut well. The blade does lock. You have to hit the button up here to open the blade, and it locks into place as well, so I don't worry too much about it folding up on me. And then the ultimate for my bushcrafting time goes to the Cold Steel Trailhawk. I know, not a knife, not a saw, you know, or saws and knives. Yeah, saws and tomahawks are not knives, but I use this one just like a knife a lot of the time. I've sharpened it fairly well. So sometimes if I'm chopping with this and I still need to do something, I just go ahead and use this as, you know, for feathering or something like that. So in the tradition of following these tag videos, I'll go ahead and set my 3 favorites out there. And I'm supposed to tag some people. So going through my subscribers, a lot of you guys, you know, hey, are real recent subscribers, and I'd like to thank Really Big Monkey One for sending you guys my way. Or if you just found me on your own, I appreciate it. Get the word out and get us some more subscribers, so that way I can start putting videos out more often to hopefully help you guys in your endeavors to save money for bushcrafting. But I'm going for the big guys on my call outs. So I am calling out or tagging Sensible Prepper. Been watching this guy for a little while, and just, you know, he's right there on my wavelength. He's a I can't remember what he calls himself, but he's a gear guy. He likes the Maxpedition and all that other stuff, and that's cool. But, you know, I can't afford that stuff. So, reality survival. Brass tacks, common sense, and I like his videos. And last but not least, Southern Prepper 1. Now, if you guys have not seen his videos, I'm sorry, I don't know where you've been, but this guy's got like the ultimate setup down there wherever he's from. So if you guys, Sensible Prepper, Reality Survival, and Southern Prepper 1 would like to follow suit and make a video showing, and I'm going to change this up, just not bushcraft. I want to holler survival knives too, your tactical knife. Because a lot of people aren't set in that mindset of just bushcraft. Myself, I'm getting a little more out of the bushcraft and going a little more survival / tactical. Not really. Just some gear reviews maybe. But if you guys would follow suit and give us a shout out here at Poor Man's Bushcraft, that would be great, and show us your at least 3 of your favorite bushcraft, survival, or tactical knives that you would call upon in you know, most situations. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate the jump in subscribers this past week, and if you guys will and can get the word out and get us some more subscribers over here, so we can start getting a little more following and having some fun and learning, you know, least or less expensive ways to do your bushcraft, survival, and tactical stuff. Alright, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you guys on the next video.